So I don't know exactly why that particular clip was shaking. The camera was on a tripod, so it should be steady. So guys, if you are videography enthusiasts, have more idea about editing than me, comment down below, let me know what could be the issue. Or the other option I have, I could buy a new camera. So all you have to do is like, subscribe and comment and watch the video completely so YouTube can take this video and make it viral. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today, I have this Mazda CX-30 that is here for a full ceramic coating. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start with the wheels first. As I mentioned, this car is in for a full ceramic coating and the wheels are included as well. So I have to make sure the wheels are completely clean. For that, first thing I do is spray CarPro iron remover on the wheels. And for the tires, I'm using super clean degreaser. While I am scrubbing the tires, make sure the tires are clean. Iron remover works on the wheels, breaks down all the brake dust. And when I rinse off the tire, I rinse the wheel as well, so all the brake dust is washed off. For the wheels here, I'm using Brake R by Technician's Choice. And one tip that I want to give is, if you are using iron remover, make sure do not use it in the heat like the summer is right now in Texas. I actually stay away from iron remover during these months. This detail came to me in one of the winter months, so it was sunny but it was a little bit chilly outside, so using a CarPro iron remover was an easy task. But in the summers, I don't use any of the harsh chemicals like that, because before even saying dry, it dries on the wheels and the paint. So here, if you use your wheel cleaner, that will get the job done really well. Technician's Choice Brake R is one of the really good wheel cleaners. So all the tools and the products that I use in this detail are listed in the description down below. You can check out those links, and this way you help my channel and you can buy these products for yourself. So this car is brand new, and before ceramic coating, I need to make sure that I wash the car thoroughly and remove all the bug guts. So here I'm using P&S Bug Off. I dilute this product 1:1 and I spray it onto the front end or the glass or the side mirrors, and then put a layer of foam on top of the car so it has some dwell time. After that, all you have to do is do your contact wash, or you can take your pressure washer and wash all those bugs, and this product works really well. As the day progressed on, it kind of got a little bit hot and the soap started drying onto the paint, so I rinsed it all off and I washed the car in sections. That is, I spray it down with foam and then I wash that particular section and use a clay mitt to decontaminate the paint as well. I do this in sections so that soap does not dry or any chemicals that I use do not dry on the paint. This is very good method to do in the summers. I always do this for all the cars and the trucks so that no soap dries on the paint. Here, this customer chose not to do paint correction. I offer this service to customers who have brand new cars where they choose not to do paint correction, but we do apply ceramic coating. You have to thoroughly wash the paint, decontaminate the paint, and then you can apply ceramic coating. Now, this only works for brand new cars or if the customer is happy with their paint condition. Now this customer was super happy. This paint was in absolute immaculate condition. So here I washed the car in sections so that later on when I'm applying the ceramic coat, there is no water spotting or there is no chemical dried on the paint. Now drying stage is one of the most important stages. Why? Because this is the stage where you can actually introduce a lot of swirls or minor scratches onto the paint. Why? Because your drying towel was not primed, or it was just a dry towel that you used on the paint. Now when you're washing in the sun, some of the sections of the paint will get dry faster because the panels are hot and the sun is beaming directly. So all you have to do is make sure to prime the towel, that is spray on just a little bit of water, damp the towel, and then use it on the paint. What I do is I spray down the panel one more time before drying it so that there is no water spotting left behind. The customer also requested for an interior detail. I detailed that before washing the car. I did not record that, but there was some pet hair. I removed all of that. And for the door jambs, I always use a blower to blow out all the water, so when I'm ceramic coating, no water seeps through. And then I take a rag and I go through all the door jambs. For the plastic cowl that is between the windshield and the hood, I make sure to clean that really well before ceramic coating. I use Karsh Chemie's Green Star. This product is an all-purpose cleaner and it is a very strong APC, so I dilute this product. Interior detail, if I ever use it, I use it 30:1, and this product is also a very good APC. Before ceramic coating your paint, it's always good to use an IPA solution and make sure to wipe down all the panels with IPA wash, so that way there is no polishing oils, or in this case any soap residue or any kind of surface stains that are there. And when you apply ceramic coating, it bonds very well to a clean surface. So IPA wipe down is always important before ceramic coating. So now is the time that I apply ceramic coating, and I'm using Adam's graphene ceramic coating. This is the 5 to 7 year coating, and all you have to do is make sure to prime your microfiber pad. So you put a little bit on all over the pad, and then when you're going panel by panel, you use just a little bit to cover the area. Now here, two things play very important role in ceramic coating: your temperature outside and your humidity. So like I mentioned, this was a little bit of chilly day, so I could cover more area. But if this was in the summertime, I will always do 2x2 area. But in this temperature, I was able to go half the hood and most of the time one door at a time. But make sure wherever you are applying ceramic coating, always keep in mind your temperature plays a very big role and it increases the flash time. So make sure to have ample amount of time to wipe down each panel so you don't have any high spots. My process of applying ceramic coating is cross-hatch process. I go left and right and up and down. This gives an even coverage across the panel, and then I use a microfiber towel to wipe down after the flash time has occurred. 10 to 30 seconds is the best time to wait. The ceramic coating will change colors and then you can wipe it off or buff it off. First towel is to level the coating as best as possible, and the second towel I just use the weight of the towel to make sure to buff off any remaining high spots and to cover any overlap between the two panels. This process works really well. Next time you're applying ceramic coating, give it a try. Are you wanting to get your car ceramic coated and are you in Fort Worth, Texas? So make sure you can reach out to me. I offer ceramic coating and I'm running a special on my coatings right now. So make sure to check out all the details in the description. My website is there and you can contact me anytime and we can set up an appointment and get your car ceramic coated. Adams graphene coating is a very versatile coating. You can apply this coating to the glass, to the paint of course, and all the plastic trims that are out there. I apply this coating on the wheels as well. So this coating works really well. I really enjoy applying this coating. This durability is actually working for me. I have one car that is going 3.5 years and my personal vehicle is going for 3 years. So this coating is working amazing on my car. It works as though I applied it yesterday. The only reason coatings last longer on your car is you do proper maintenance washes. If you don't do proper maintenance washes, even though the coating manufacturer will say 7 years, you will lose the durability if not maintained properly. So make sure whenever you have ceramic coating on your paint, every month give it a good deep wash so that the coating is maintained and you can apply boosters on top of that. So guys, if you've been with me in this video for so long, I really appreciate you watching the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one. Make sure to watch the end results. This car was better than brand new.